day, everyone. I, this video this video presentation will show the different logic gates functions using the simulation software GXWorks 2. This simulation software will or have the PLC programming components that would allow the students such as me and others to perform a simulation of an actual PLC programming. To start the video presentation, the logic gates and function. Ah, but first, a brief explanation. Um, the normal or default outputs would be labeled or in terms of truth tables would be the value of 0. Then by applying shift enter or the in real life pushing the button or applying an input of 1 will make changes to the output, which shown in here, the output reader lamp or the label Y0. This part are the device statements. This part would be the switches are in here, normally opened contacts, and the statements are the PB1, input 1, and normally open are the device comments. The output reader would be the device notes or the notes. To start, the program will be running and the logic gates functions that are shown are already completed and in simulation mode. To start, logic gates and function and function. A brief definition would be or explanation is that both inputs must be turned on for the output to be energized or for the output lamp Y00 to work. Both the push button 1 and 2 would be turned on, which in terms of truth tables will be 1 and 1. If either one of these push buttons, the lamp will not be energized. To show, it will only be turned on if it is the inputs are both in 1 or turned on. Moving on, moving on to the logic gates or function. Either one of the inputs allows the output to be turned on. So, shown in here, the normally open labeled as X002 device comment, PB1 input 1, and it is normally open, as well as X003 but labeled as or in the device comment provided as push button 2 input 2, which is also normally open, and the lamp is labeled as Y001. By having either one of these switches or the normally open contacts turned on, the lamp or the output will be turned on. To show, turning off both or at 0, the lamp or the output is turned off. By enabling one, it will turn on the output. Enabling both of the inputs will also enable the output. Moving on to the logic gates not function. A brief definition is turning on the input stops the output to be turned on. the switch that is used is close contact, and the output is called coil. The switches or the inputs and outputs are or can be used by the function buttons. In here, the normally closed contact is function 6 or F6, and the Y002, the output is coil, which is function 7 or F7. Then, to show the function of a logic gate not function, the default um, the default form of the normally closed contact is it makes the lamp already turned on. In this state, it is 0 in terms of truth tables. By enabling or turning on the normally closed contact, or the push button 1, input 1, and is normally closed by the device comment, will turn off the output. And then, moving on, the logic gate's NAND function, or not AND function, brief definition would be turning on both inputs will turn off the output. Turning on either the inputs will turn on the output. The switches or the contacts were used are the normally closed contacts, both for push button 1 and push button 2, the input 1 and input 2. Then the lamp would be the same as the others, which is Y003, the output reader. Then the default form or the default structure of the close contact is that it's already connected to the lamp. Since it is connected or closed, the wirings are connected by the default is again by truth tables. In terms of truth tables, it is 0. It is in default form. By enabling or turning on the push button 1, push button 2 in logic gate's NAND function, it will turn off if the both inputs are turned off or turned on, since the inputs or the ones have been applied. By enabling either one will enable the lamp function to be turned on, or I mean turning off. Wait, since the default function of to explain more clearly, the normally closed contacts are already turned on, but it is in truth tables 0. By pressing the button or shift enter, it will make the in terms of truth tables, this function as 1, this thing also 1, which 1 to 1 will make the lamp turned off. By having either one of this turned back off or to 0, will turn the lamp on again. Same with making the inputs back to 0 will turn the lamp back on. Moving on to the NOR function, it is in series form. The contacts that are used are normally closed contacts, and the outputs or the output is the lamp or the coil labeled as Y004. The inputs are X007 and X010 or X010. Explain. both are turned on, since this is the default function, or in terms of truth tables, the 0, 0, which is equals to 1, since the lamp or the output is turned on. By turning on or pressing the button, or in terms of truth tables, pressing or turning or having an input of 1 will make the output 0, or the output will be turned off. Either one of the inputs will make the output 0 or turned off. Moving on to the last gate function, logic gates XOR function. Brief definition would be: odd inputs turns on the output, even inputs turns off the output. Odd meaning one is turned on and the other is turned off. Even meaning both are turned off or turned on. In terms of truth tables, if the inputs are in 0, 0 and 1, 1, the output would be 0 or turned off, while the odd in this are in truth tables, if the inputs are 0, 1 and 1, 0, being the inputs or the outputs will be 1 or turned on. For example, the default function or the default structure of the normally closed contact, it would be this. The wiring or the energy that would energize the lamp will turn on the lamp. But in this case, the normally open contact is not connected to the lamp, which makes the lamp not energized. By selecting this, or both are in 0 since both are in default form. By selecting or pressing Shift Enter, will make the X011 have an input of 1. In terms of truth tables, both of these two are the inputs 1 and 2 will be 1 and 0. Same would be in here in the second line. If the push button 1 is back to its original form, 0, and the push button 2 is in 1, it will make the lamp turned on. But if both are turned on, the lamp will be turned off. Same with the normally closed contact. If both are 0, the lamp would be turned on, will be turned off. That would be all. Thank you.